Hello everyone, welcome to Munira Shine Academy. In this video we will learn how to use the third standard identity, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. The third standard identity says that a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Let us take an example and understand. Suppose you have 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 3. It is very easy to solve this though, but using the identity, we will compare with a plus b. Here, a is equals to 2, b is equals to 3. This matches a plus b, a minus b. So we can say that this is equal to a square minus b square. So a is 2 square minus b is 3 square. So this becomes 4 and 3 square is 9. So 4 minus 9 is minus 5. So your answer is minus 5. Let us take one more example. Suppose we have 3 upon 2m plus 2 upon 3n into 3 upon 2m minus 2 upon 3n. Okay, so comparing this, a 3 upon 2m is your a plus 2 upon 3n is your b. We again have a 3 upon 2, this is also 3 upon 2m, this is also 3 upon 2m, so this is your a plus and minus, and then b 2 upon 3n. So this matches the identity a plus b into a minus b. So here a is equals to 3 upon 2m and b is equals to 2 upon 3n. Putting the values, a square minus b square. So a 3 upon 2m square minus b 2 upon 3n whole square. Now 3 square is 9. 2 square is 4, so 9 upon 4 m square minus 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9, so 4 upon 9 n square. Now these both are unlike terms, so this is your final answer for the given expression. Now we can solve in the reverse way also. Suppose you have a question, say, so suppose we have 983 square minus 17 square. Now comparing this in the reverse order, this is a square, this is b square. So this matches a square minus b square. So we can say that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here a is equal to 983, right, and b is equals to 17. So putting in this identity, we say a plus b. So this is equal to 983 plus 17 into a minus b. Now we can solve this. Let us do the calculations here. It is always preferable to do the calculations, do your rough work so that you do not make any mistake. You can solve them mentally also. So 983 plus 17. 3 plus 7 is 10, so 0, 1 carry. 8 plus 1 is 10 again, so 0, 1 carry, and this becomes 10. So this is equal to 1000 into 983 minus 17. So say 983 minus 17. Now here, since 3 is smaller than 7, borrow a 1, this becomes 13. So 13 minus 7 is 6. This becomes your 7. 7 minus 1 is again 6 and 9 as it is. So this becomes 966. Now multiplying 1000 and 966, we have 3 zeros here. So 966,000. This is your final answer. So we can see that it was a quick calculation. 983 whole square would take more time in the normal way, 17 square and then subtracting them. Using the identity, we were able to solve this in the minimum time. So this is how we can solve given identity in the normal order, and also we can use it in the reverse way. I hope it is clear how we can use three standard identities. The first standard identity, a plus b whole square, which says a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third one, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So whenever you have any expression, first compare with the three identities and then decide which identity suits the best and apply them. Thank you very much for watching.